Welcome back, mystery fans. Today, we're at another Kubota KX80 miniature skid steer. And we are on a unit with a jackhammer. So, if you know what a jackhammer is, you've got a pretty good idea already of what we're going to be doing today. That's correct. We're going to be smashing some rocks. Whew. Let's get this party started. So, controls on one of these guys aren't too complex. It's kind of a matter of if you can run a zero-turn lawnmower that's on sticks, you can pretty much run one of these machines. We had some craziness with our camera there. A lot of vibration. These are not a gentle ride. None of this equipment's really gentle. That's the nature of the beast. But it's still cool, and it's still all toys in a big kid kind of way. So, we'll get back to you with some action. And here we are. So, we gotta fire up our auxiliary power. We gotta have to figure ourselves out what auxiliary function this here hammer has. Well, guys, today may not get us any kind of good content at all. it manually. Yeah, that works. No, I'm playing. Well, if I don't find this out, figure this out, rather, momentarily. Oh, okay. So, apparently we need the pressure. Unlike the previous hammer that we had here that I ran, this one appears to need to be set on before it'll ignite. Not really ignite because there's no ignition, but guys, I promise, no matter how much fun this looks, hammer ops are not cool. I mean, there might be somebody who really wants to be a hammer operator, and I'm happy for them. But the shake that you're getting on this camera with the function 100% translates into this cab. I was surely not born to operate a jackhammer. At least not one attached to a skid steer, or excuse me, a mini excavator. Although I wouldn't mind trying one on a skid steer, but that's just because I like the functionality of the skid steer a little better as far as its movements. But you would be a little more constrained as well. Guys, if we get into anything else good, I'll make sure I film it for you. But for the moment, I'm gonna go. I've got no heat in this particular cab. At least with our skid steer, the front glass is missing. It's got heat, it just doesn't have a front glass. We'll be back if we get into anything better. I'll talk to you guys later. Ready, guys? Yeah. there's some more.